Hi, I am Pradip Haldar. Welcome to yet another biology class. Today I am going to discuss about the tissue of standard 9. We already read about the cell. Cell is the basic unit of life or the fundamental unit of life because every living organism are made by one or more cells. If the organism contains a single cell, they are known as a unicellular organism. Or if the organism contains a huge amount of cells, they are known as a multicellular organism. In the discovery of the cell, we already discussed about the cell theory. What is the cell theory? Cell theory is the scientific theory about the cell which is published by the Selden and Schwann in the year of 1838-39. Now, within the cell theory, there is a valuable point. Every and each cell are able to perform all necessary function. Suppose the unicellular organism like amoeba contain the single cell. If we want to know the function of amoeba, then we will discuss the function of the amoeba's cell. But in case, what about the multicellular organism? In case of the multicellular organism, we have to count the cell number, then we have to point out the function of each cell according to this point. To avoid this problem, cell theory explains more. They pointed a term that is the in higher multicellular organism, they are present the division of labor. What's the division of labor? Division of labor means may contain the huge number of organism or huge number of cell. Few cells are categorized to perform the specific function. Suppose we lived in a society. Within the society, we have the huge number of human beings. But particularly within a single society, we have almost 10 to 12 teachers to teach the student. We have 5 to 7 doctors to teach the patient. We have the farmers for the agricultural purpose. So within the society is formed by the human beings or combination of human beings, but each human beings performing their own specific function. So within the society we have the specific role. Similarly, in case of the multicellular organism, may they contain the huge number of cells, but some cell may categorize or combine to perform a specific function. This the combination of cell or the group of cell known as a tissue. Now, what is the importance of tissue? Suppose this is a cell. This is a cell. What's about the cell? Cell is the basic unit of life. Basic unit of life. Now, cell are combined. Now, these are the combination of cell, known as tissue. Tissue is the group of cell. Now, these tissue are combined to form the organ. These are the organ. Organ means the group of tissue. Now, these organ are combined to form the system. These are known as a system or the organ system. System means the combination of or the group of organ. Now, this combination of organ give arise of the body. So how the multicellular organisms body form? Multicellular organisms body form by the combination of system. How the system form? By the combination of organ. How the organ form? By the combination of tissue. How the tissue form? By the combination of cell. So these are the importance of tissue. Now, what's about the plant tissue? In case of the plant, the hierarchical multicellular plant also contain the tissue. So within the hierarchical multicellular plant, similarly originated cell may be size or shape may be variable, but they are combined to perform a specific function that known as a plant tissue, or the tissue present in plant, or group of cell present in plant, that known as a plant tissue. Now, the different types of plant tissue. Different types of plant tissue. Different types of plant tissue. On the basis of titopotency. Titopotency means the power of division. Titopotency means the power of division. Or on the basis of cell division. Cell division is the process by which parent cell are going to be divided and creating the daughter cell. The cell which are going to take part in the cell division, they are known as a parent cell, and the newly originated cell after the division, that known as a daughter cell. And the titopotency is the power of division. So on the basis of titopotency or cell division, the plant tissue are classified mainly in two categories. First one, meristematic tissue, and second one is permanent tissue. What about the meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue means meristematic tissue contain those type of cell or the combination of cell which are able to perform the cell division. Generally, what about the meristematic tissue? So the meristematic tissue is cell division occurring tissue. Cell division occurring tissue. Generally, this tissue also known as a growing tissue or growth tissue. Why? Because by the using of the cell division, this tissue may increase the cell number, which helps to perform the growth or change in the size or shape of the plant. Now, on the another hand, that is the permanent tissue. The tissue which are the lack the ability of titopotency, or which the lack of the cell division, or the combination of cells which are not able to perform the cell division. So, what about the permanent tissue? Cell division not occurring tissue. Cell division not occurring tissue. Now, on the basis of the cell size and shape, these permanent tissue are classified mainly in two categories. First one is simple permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue, as a permanent tissue, they are not able to perform the cell division. So what's about the simple permanent tissue? Simple permanent tissue means similar type of cell are combined to perform a simple function like the photosynthesis or to provide the mechanical support. They are termed as a simple permanent tissue. So similar type of cell. Similar type of cell performing simple function like performing photosynthesis or providing mechanical support. Now, these simple permanent tissue are three types: parenchyma, parenchyma, florenchyma, Third one, Sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma. These are the three are the simple permanent tissue. Means their shape and size of the cell are quite similar, and they combine to perform a simple function. On the other hand, these are the complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue means combination of different size or shaped cell are combined to perform a complex function like the transportation of water or the transportation of the food in the plant. They are termed as a complex permanent tissue. And then the complex permanent tissue are two types: xylem, the water transporting tissue in plant, and the phloem, the food transporting tissue in plant. Along with that, some specialized tissue are also present in the plant. They are known as a special permanent tissue. For an example, that is the latiferous tissue. So some plants, if you struck the plant stem, some white sap will be discharged. That known as a latiferous. These are the specialized type of tissue. So, hope you understand about this topic. Tomorrow we will discuss in details.